Good morning, everybody. Our angel whispers are the guidance that is always within you, your ability to find the answers that is needed in your innate superpower. They want you to trust, have more faith in yourself, be proud of how you are navigating every curveball that life throws at you. How you deal with those times shows your true inner resilience. Nothing can break that. That in itself is an inspiration for others. Keep shining your light. And our archangel is about new beginnings. You are being called to renew your dedication to your life's purpose. Situations where decisions must be made will work out positively for you. um, it's also a card that says you're answering a calling, whether you know it or not. You're finding your purpose. You're starting a new life. You're getting perfect clarity, and you are opening up to unlimited opportunities and possibilities for you. You're receiving a compliment from an admirer. It's something you've been waiting for a long time, and you're going to be very pleased. You will be receiving or giving a precious gift. You've been spending a lot of time working on your inner self, and it's time for you now to stand up and get out there and follow your light. You are being looked after by your angels and spirit guides. There is a warning of a problem that might come up in the near future, but it's something you don't expect, but there's other opportunities and possibilities are around you. And they say you are receiving security and helping hand from the divine. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. You are connecting to the love in other people around you, in nature, in your monies, everything around you from a place of love within. And you are going to receive lots and lots of goodness in all areas of your life. They also want you to know a forgotten promise will be fulfilled. You must be patient, and your loved ones say teamwork. Work with others to make this situation or any situation come about. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.